Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Ford. The report was first published on our website Friday, September 2, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Ford? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 22, 2022, our system ranks the Ford stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 2.857. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 18.25% since we first told you to buy Ford 31 days ago. This is an average return of 0.59% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Ford, our last headline reads, Ford stock upgraded from hold/accumulate to buy candidate after Friday trading session. The Ford stock price fell by -0.20% on the last day, Friday, September 2, 2022, from $15.19 to $15.16. It has now fallen 5 days in a row. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.39% from a day low at $15.06 to a day high of $15.57. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -4.53% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -710,000 shares and in total, 65 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $977.87 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $25.87, and the lowest price was $10.61. Right now the price is 41.4%, or $10.71, below 52-week high at $25.87, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 38.19% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 30.08% and 58.82%. The 12-month trend indicates a -17.39% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -55.99% and 21.12%. This equals a price between $6.67 and $18.36 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Ford stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Ford stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Ford. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Ford stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $15.42. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $14.87. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 16, 2022, and so far it has fallen -7.73%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 31 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 33 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 28 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 23 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Ford. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $14 and $11.81. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Ford finds support just below today's level at $14. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $11.81 and $11.56. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved 51 cents between high and low, or 3.39%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 3.15%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Ford. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Ford currently has a price-earning ratio of 5.26. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Ford meets first resistance at $15.19. If you do not hold Ford shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Ford finds first level of support at $14, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Ford is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On September 1, 2022, Weinberg John S. made an inside buy of 1,644 of Ford stock units. On September 1, 2022, Wehmeyer John B. made an inside buy of 1,630 of Ford stock units. On September 1, 2022, Vujvodik Lin M. made an inside buy of 1,333 of Ford stock units. On September 1, 2022, Mooney Beth E. made an inside buy of 846 of Ford stock units. On September 1, 2022, Thornton John L. made an inside buy of 3,364 of Ford stock units. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 48.281. In total, the insiders bought 3,583,535 and sold 1,254,589 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $14.34, minus 5.40%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 13 days ago. Is Ford stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Ford stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Tuesday 6th, we expect Ford to open up 10 cents and start trading at $15.26. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.